everyone, Steve here from theturtlefollower.com. And in this video we're going to look at a short trade setup in Union Pacific. Now the market has been kind of chopping around the last few days, few weeks. So at this point it's really good to kind of incorporate both sides of a trade. You could definitely go long only. It's just going to be, you're going to kind of be banging your head against the wall at this point, being so one-sided. And in the model portfolio, I absolutely trade all long because that's really geared more towards retirement accounts, custodial accounts. It's not as much of a active trader type of portfolio, but in certain accounts you can go ahead and short a stock, or you can buy put options, either one. And the way that you do it, as far as looking at a short trade, is really the exact opposite as you would looking at a long trade. So here we have a chart of Union Pacific, same thing, 3-year weekly on top and a 9-month daily on the bottom. And you can see here that Union Pacific was in a weekly consolidation, and then it broke down from that consolidation. Now at that point it also broke its uptrend line. Okay, if we go through here, you could see the uptrend line was broken. Now at this point we came back down, tested potentially the 200-day moving average, and sure enough that failed as well. So now looking at the daily, here is that big long weekly consolidation that we just saw on the weekly, okay, right through here. And now what's also happening is it was consolidating on the daily as well. All right, so these are nice looking setups as far as if you can get in them at the right time. And it looks like now might be the right time. So there you have your downtrend line. So on the weekly chart that it's not a stock you want to be long. You want to look for places to short it. Now on the daily chart, you've identified a setup as far as this consolidation. Sure enough, today you got the breakdown from the consolidation. Now depending on how aggressive you want to be, there's two different stop levels you can have. One here at the 111 area, which puts you back above the 50-day moving average, or you could be a little bit more aggressive at the 108 area. Either way, you could definitely take this at the open tomorrow. Now other railroad stocks like Kansas City Southern, all right, they've been breaking down as well. Norfolk Southern, all right, breaking down as well. And a lot of that has to do with higher oil prices and just in general the transports, the Dow transports, the IYT basically is kind of looking like it's a short setup as well. So again, just a lot of different things kind of influencing where railroads look to be going. As I said, I think UNP ends lower, and you could see where this goes from here. But that's your entry setup, and then you could just trail stops along this trend line using previous lows, or I'm sorry, in this case previous highs, as potential references for trailing stops, and just stay short as long as it stays underneath this trend line and continues to make lower highs. So lower lows, sorry about that. But other than that, that's it for tonight. Again, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the video below. You can also email me if this is the first time you're joining us. We're putting out trades like this, probably 2 or 3 a week, where possible, each and every week. So if you're somebody that is looking for some trade ideas, definitely go to the top, put your name and email into the orange bar at the top of the screen. You'll get on the newsletter, and all future video links will be sent right to your inbox. So that's it for tonight. Again, thanks for watching.